Good day, accounting buddies! Let's talk about the nominal interest rate versus the effective interest rate. So first, here are the other terms for these rates. A nominal interest rate is also called as the stated, quoted, or coupon rate, while the effective interest rate is also known as the yield or market rate. Now, in accounting, particularly in using amortization of receivables and/or payables, when these two rates differ from each other, the nominal interest rate is used to compute for the interest receivable or the interest payable, while the effective interest rate is used to compute for the interest income or the interest expense. For more accounting videos, follow me at Facebook or subscribe at my YouTube channel, Makhar Accounting Buddy, your Filipino accounting buddy. Come, let's study.